going to pretend that it's nighttime, and we're going to measure the star Rigel. And when we measure the star, it's going to help us determine the time and what direction we're facing. So first we're going to measure the altitude. So you'll hold it up straight and you'll line it up to your point, aka your star. And then you'll look at it, and it's in 44 degrees for Rigel. So then you'll flip it over and you'll point out Rigel. Rigel is right here. And you want to line it up to this altitude, so the 44 degree mark is here. So you'll just turn it until it exactly lines up. And then what you want to do is to find the date. You have to find the date, so you'll turn it back over. And today is December 17th, so you'll line this up with using this scale. So the 17th is around here. And then you'll look also at this scale and you'll see that it's in 25 degrees of Sagittarius. So you'll flip it over again. And you'll find what 25 degrees of Sagittarius is.
Well, maybe
so you'll turn this. And these go by 10. So here's 10 and 20. And 25 is like around here-ish. And then you'll see using the scale that it's around, it's more here-ish. Gotta get my scales right. So it's close to midnight, almost near the midnight mark, and it's around 11:45 in midnight, if we were pretending it was nighttime. Yeah. So also you can see that this line here lies in between the south-southeast and the south-southwest. So then you can tell from this line here that you're facing south. And that's where Rigel is. So you're facing in the south direction. Using the astrolabe, you could predict on any day when the sunrise will occur and when sunset can occur. And you can also predict when twilight can occur. So we'll start with sunrise. So just pick any random day. We'll pick today, December 17th. And we know December 17th from before that it's 25 degrees. So what you want to do is keep it in that 25 degree place. And then you want to make it line up to this line right here. This line right here is the horizon. And the sun sets on the east, rises on the east. So you want to move it so you can see when it could rise. So here is my 25 degree mark. And I want to line it up to this line right here, which is right there. And you can tell what time it is. So it's around 7:15-ish. That's when the sun would rise. So once you find out when sun rises, you can also find out when the sun sets just by going on the other side of the horizon. We know that the sun rises on the east, but it'll set on the west. So you'll turn it all the way into, the horizon here. You will line it up at the 25 degree mark, which is around here-ish. And make sure you got that lined up nicely. And here you'll see this is 12, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's around 4:45 p.m. So the sun will set at 4:45 p.m. Cool. And then you can also find the twilight. So you use that by using this dotted line. That's really important. You don't want to get the dotted line and the horizon line mixed up. And you just do the same thing. You just line it up on the dotted line at the same point. And you can see that's more close to around 5:15-ish. So 30-minute difference. And that's how you use it to find the sunrise, sunset, and twilight.